Ask any foodie in town where's the best place to score Greek. If they're not pushing the more budget-friendly Villeray neighborhood joints that are Marven's or Hermes, then they're all over the upscale paradise that is Estiatorio Milos. And patrons know very well what kind of pretty penny is required to sup at Montreal's premier upscale Greek restaurant located in the Mile End. But get there at 10 p.m. and the rules change. After 10 p.m., you can score an entree of organic salmon sashimi followed by a tuna burger or Dorade flown in from Kefalonia, concluding with a baklava finale for $32. Wine, taxes, and tips are extra. Estiatorio Milos late night menu runs from 10 p.m. to midnight, Thursday through Saturday. View the full late night menu. Estiatorio Milos. 5357 Avenue du Parc, corner of St. Viateur. Montreal, Quebec H2V4G9. Reservations, 514-272-3522 or online. View map.